Welcome to another video of Technology Now. Today we are going to look at the best drones to buy in 2022. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button, leave a follow and enable the bell icon in order to get notified when a new video drops out. We will be looking at the following drones. Based on our research, these drones are the best out there in 2022. You can find the product links on my blog, linked in the description below. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the most powerful and best compact drone you can buy. It has a premium price tag, but it's a huge upgrade over the Mini 2. If you find it to be worth the extra cost. For the money, you get a far superior camera and obstacle avoidance sensors with features that would normally only be found on drones with higher price tags. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the most powerful compact drone around. It's fronted by an upgraded dual camera with a wider field of view and transmission system that offers less interference when flying in crowded environments. The DJI Mavic 3 folds down into a portable bundle that weighs less than its predecessor, despite accommodating a larger camera and folding props. The excellent Air 2S combines the best features of our favorite DJI drones, the Mavic Air 2 and Mavic 2 Pro. You get the compact folding design of the former and his 20 megapixel 1-inch sensors of the later. This cool combination we liked in our testing makes the Air 2S the best choice for hobbyists and professionals looking for a compact drone that can go anywhere. One of the few complaints about the DJI Mavic Mini is the inability to shoot 4K video. This great successor solves this problem and offers some additional benefits. The Mini 2 is the smallest drone in the DJI lineup, with the same ultra-compact design as before, but comes with a new controller that increases range thanks to OcuSync 2.0 connectivity and offers a more advanced flying experience. The flagship aircraft in Autel's latest line of DJI competitors, the Evo Lite Plus, goes head-to-head with the Air 2S. Capable of shooting 5.4K video at 30 fps with a 1-inch sensor, this product has surprisingly similar specifications. However, it outperforms the Air 2S and Mavic Pro 2 with a 40-minute flight time and adjustable aperture. The Lite Plus model lacks the 4-axis stabilization of its Evo Lite sibling, but the sensor's larger pixels offer better light collection potential in low light conditions. Once the best drone, the Mavic Air 2 has been pushed out of the spotlight with the launch of the DJI Air 2S and Autel Evo Lite Plus. However, it should not be ruled out as an option. It's cheaper than the Air 2S and may be a better fit if you don't need the larger 1-inch sensors of newer models. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can find all the product links on my blog, which is linked in the description below. If you liked this video, make sure to leave a like and comment which drone you will buy. Have a nice day. This is Technology Now.